Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create these broken glasses as well as this nosebleed hack on Dress to Impress. So I'm not going to restart the nosebleed one because it is pretty self-explanatory. I'm just going to remove the glasses. However, for the nosebleed one, I just used the Valentine's Day earrings. I used this one in red, and then for the adjustments, I did this. So position X 0.43, Y 0.44, Z 0.42, rotate X at 0.80, Y at 1, and scale it down to 0. Then for the broken glasses, I'm just going to use these glasses here. You can color it to whatever color you want. Then you're going to position it the same, and you're just going to rotate it a little bit. Y at 0.48 and Z at 0.34, and you're not going to scale it. Then grab the spider web for that broken glass effect, and this is how you're going to arrange it. 0.58, Y at 0.37, Z 0.30, rotate it at 0.10 here, Y at 0.78, Z at 1, and you're going to scale it all the way down. You can kind of adjust it again a little bit if you'd like to, maybe move it upwards a little bit. Oops. Like here. But that is how you can create broken glasses. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.